we have to do division of polynomials. When the powers are positive, in our example we have 2 and invisible 1, so powers are positive, we can use long division to solve our problem. What we need to do first? First, we have to get the problem set up. We need to have the terms written down with exponents in decreasing order. To make sure we don't make any mistakes, we add in any missing terms with a 0 coefficient. In this example, we have all terms because we have a squared, next is negative 15a, and at the end is 56. So we have to just write our problem in descending order. We have a squared, next will be negative 15a, and at the end we have 56. We have to divide by a minus 7. So we focus only on the a squared and a first. Always on the first terms. By what I have to multiply a to get a squared. And solution we write at the top. By a, because a times a give me a squared. So now we have to multiply every term in the parentheses by what we got here. So a times a is a squared. A times negative 7 is negative 7a. Now we have to underline and we have to do subtraction. Because we have to do subtraction all this term which we got, so we have to write this in parentheses. So now we have a squared minus a squared is 0. We don't have to write. And next we have negative 15a minus negative 7. So negative and negative give me positive. Negative 15a plus 7. We keep the sign the greater number. So negative, we have 57, so it will be negative sign. And 15 minus 7 is 8. And 8 we have to copy. And we have to drop down 56. And again, we concentrate on the first terms. We have negative 8a and a. Again, have to ask yourself, by what I have to multiply a to get negative 8a? By negative 8, of course. Because negative 8 times a give me negative 8a. And we have to multiply by negative a not only the first term. The next terms we have to multiply also. So next is 7, negative 7. So negative 8 times negative 7 is positive 56. Because negative times negative give me positive. 8 times 7 is 56, of course. So again, we have to underline and do subtraction. Negative and negative give me positive. So we have negative 8a plus 8a is 0. Everything cancels out. And we have next 56 minus 56 is 0. So everything cancels out. So now we can write that a squared plus 56 minus 15a divided by a minus 7 is equal, whatever we have at the top, a minus a. This is my solution.